Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate power solution, keeping your devices charged for days. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single power bank. That's the incredible 20,000 mAh capacity you get here. Perfect for travel or long days out. No more scrambling for outlets. This portable charger literally keeps you connected anywhere, anytime. What makes it truly smart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. This means optimized charging speeds for all your gadgets, from smartphones to tablets, without ever overcharging. And with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, incredibly convenient for couples or multiple gadgets. Unlike generic power banks, Anker's reputation for reliability and advanced charging tech truly sets the PowerCore 20,000 mAh apart from the competition. If you're looking for a dependable and powerful portable charger, this is hands down one of the best electronics to invest in right now. Check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh through the link in the description to grab yours today. It's a must-have for anyone needing serious power on the go, and I highly recommend it for 2025 and beyond.